Hello viewers, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to solve this problem to find m value. Solution: 6 power m equal to m power 18. Now we are going to add in power 1 by m on both sides. So 6 power m whole power 1 by m equal to m power 18 whole power 1 by m. Now we are going to apply this express identity that a power m whole power n equal to a power m times n. This we are going to apply here. So we'll get 6 power m times 1 by m equal to m power 18 times 1 by m. Now this m cancels this. Now we have 6 equal to m power 18 times 1 by m. Now we are going to add in power 1 by 18 on both sides. So 6 power 1 by 18 equal to m power this 18 times 1 by m whole power 1 by 18. Now this can be written as per the express identity that a power m whole power n equal to a power m times n. This we are going to apply here. So we'll get 6 power 1 by 18 equal to m power 18 times 1 by m times 1 by 18. Now this 18 cancels this. Now we have 6 power 1 by 18 equal to m power 1 by m. Now 6 power 1 by 18 equal to m power 1 by m. 6 power 1 by 18 whole power 1 equal to m power 1 by m. Now this 1 equal to 2 by 2. So 6 power 1 by 18 whole power 2 by 2 equal to m power 1 by m. Now we know that express identity that a power m whole power n equal to a power m times n. This express identity we are going to apply here. So we'll get 6 power 1 by 18 times 2 by 2 equal to m power 1 by m. Now this can be written as 6 power 2 times 1 by 18 by 2 equal to m power 1 by m. Now 6 power 2 whole power 1 by 18 times 2 equal to m power 1 by m. So this is 36 power 1 by 36 equal to m power 1 by m. So here base are same, powers also same. So m equal to 36. Now we are going to do this same in other method. Now method six power m equal to m power 18. Now take a log on both sides. Log 6 power m equal to log m power 18. Now we are going to apply this power log formula, that is log m power n equal to n log m. This formula we are going to apply here and here. So we'll get m power log 6 equal to 18 log m. Now divide by m on both sides. So m here. Now this m cancel this. So we have log 6 equal to 18 log m by m. Now we are going to divide by 18 on both sides. So log 6 by 18 equal to 18 log m by 18 m. Now this 18 cancels this. So we have log 6 by 18 equal to log m by m. Now this can be written as 1 times log 6 by 18 equal to log m by m. So 1 equal to 2 by 2. So 2 by 2 log 6 by 18 equal to right hand side log m by m. So 2 times log 6 by 2 times 18 equal to log m by m. Now according to this log power formula, this 2 comes in the 6th power. So log 6 to the power of 2 by 36 equal to log m by m. Now this 6 square is log 36 by 36 equal to log m by m. Now m equal to 36. Now we are going to verify this. Verify 6 to the power of m equal to m power 18. Now applying m here, 6 to the power of 36 equal to 36 to the power of 18. Now 6 to the power of 36, right hand side, this can be written as 6 square whole power 18. Now 6 to the power of 36 equal to 6 to the power of 2 times this 18. So 6 to the power of 36 equal to, this can be written as 6 power 36. So LHS equal to RHS. Here verify. Thanks for watching this video.